Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the stake after placing bet in Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Here is the important thing to understand right away. Once a bet is placed and confirmed, you cannot change the stake amount. Hard Rock Bet locks the bet immediately to keep things fair once odds are accepted. Even though you can directly change the stake, there are a couple of options you should check. Tap on My Bet or Open Bet at the bottom of your screen in the app. Find a bet you already placed and tap on it to see the details. If the bet offers a cash out option, you will see a button that says cash out. Using cash out lets you close the bet early and recover part or sometimes more than your original stake. Depending on how the game is going, tap cash out and confirm if the option is available and you want to exit the bet. Cash out is not available. The bet must stay active until the event ends. In this case, the stake cannot be changed, reduced or increased. If you want to increase your stake, the only way to do this is to place a new bet with a higher amount. Just go back to the game, select the odds, again enter a new stake and place a separate bet. If the bet was placed by mistake, you can tap help or contact support in the app and explain what happened. However, keep in mind that support usually cannot adjust or refund stakes once a bet is confirmed. To avoid the issue in future, always double check your stake amount in the bet slip before tapping place bet. And that's it. That's how stake change works on Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.